Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have edit or contribute rights so sharing will work. Once done, open the Sharepoint site and go directly to the document library that holds the file. Make sure you narrow to the right folder, then select the file or files using checkboxes. This ensures you act on the correct items. You do this now because choosing the right scope prevents accidental exposure. Finally, watch for the toolbar to update with sharing options before moving on. You next click Share or Get Link and pick the correct link type: people in your org, anyone with the link, or specific people. Once chosen, set permission to view or edit depending on how much control you want to give. You can also set an expiration date or require a password for tighter security. Then add recipients by name or email, include a short message so they know context, and decide if you want Sharepoint to send an automatic notification. You finish by reviewing the link settings one more time and then click Send or Copy Link to distribute it. Once sent, verify access. Either test the link in a private browser or ask a recipient to confirm they can open the file. If something goes wrong, make sure to check permission levels on the file and parent folder, confirm the link type wasn't restricted, and verify tenant or site-level sharing policies. These checks quickly resolve most access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.